person who has been at the agency end for 15 odd years and now at the client end for about 7 odd years, I strongly endorse the theme of the day. We are in the business of ideas and creativity, and ideas and creativity must be recognized, irrespective of whether it is released or not. So what I am proposing is that as long as we have a client endorsement, we do not dwell on the proof of release.
I don't think jury members look at the pieces as to whether they were released once or twice or multiple number of times. The biggest criteria which goes into rewarding or awarding any particular piece of work is whether it meets the standards of creativity, whether it is whether it's an idea which is worth giving an award to. I think those are the prime criteria which goes into giving an award or not giving an award to any particular piece. It does not matter whether it was an experimental piece of work or it was just a one-off or whether it was released multiple number of times. I don't think media weight can be an issue or should be made an issue into deciding whether a particular piece should be given an award or not. It's purely about creative excellence. In fact, we have many examples in the past where a lot of pieces of work which were released only once because the situation demanded they be released only once. Have ended up winning a lot of awards in the past. I've been associated with many of them. The kind of work which we did purely for festivals, for acts during my low days, they picked up quite a few medals. They could have been released only once. For example, if I'm releasing an ad for Gokul Ashtami, it can be released only on Gokul Ashtami day. If I'm releasing an ad for acts on Dashera, it can be released only on Dashera. Similarly, the last year, the KBC launch ad, it was a full page ad which we did in all the publications. It could have been done only on the launch day of KBC. So it can't be termed as a one-off. The situation demands that it be released on that particular day. So I don't think anything should be taken against a piece of work just because it was released on a particular day. That doesn't take away anything from it.
I think it should be, and there's nothing wrong in that, and it absolutely be, because I think it's based on your what your idea is. I think let me put it this way. It starts with your marketing objective. If your marketing brief clearly says, this is a particular problem which I have, and what's the solution for that? So the way we operate at Bates also, we think of what's the right solution for that problem. And for that, if it's sometimes you say, yes, sometimes just one-off print ad or one-off film ad or just a one-off coding could be a good solution for this, to solve this problem, is perfectly alright. There's nothing wrong in that, because sometimes we tend to choose our media vehicles based on our idea. So idea comes first, and it should get rewarded, and normally it does get rewarded. If it's really good ad, it gets rewarded.